My people, not be everything wey we see for inside social media wey be say our con ten t creator dem dey post na we go dey believe nowadays. Just imagine Emma and Hope and Sonia official come let us know say yesterday say all these gbas for inside a marriage say na prank, na dem dey prank am. Sonia say no dey aware, but before I go into this matter, make I greet una. I greet una according to the time una dey. Is your girl Linda this TV. For those of you that are just coming across my video for the first time, please do me well by hitting the following button, share this video, and do not forget to drop your comments on the comment section. Like I always say, your opinion matters a lot. My people, not be small something. Emma dey tell Sonia say this thing wey dem dey do ever since, wey all of us dey pity for Sonia, come even dey tell Sonia say make e comot for the house, make Hope e cousin no go kpai am, Hope mama involve, their uncle involve, all blah 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 blah. Say na prank, na dem dey prank people. Say na prank, na dem dey prank people. So if una wan grow una page, una just go extra mind, just do something wey be say una no even supposed to do. I no understand. Which kind prank be this one? Sonia say e no dey aware. E no dey aware say na prank, na dem dey prank. Say e don go rent shop, e don do this one, all the beating wey e receive. So Emma, you wan tell me say all these things wey you and Sonia cousin dey do, say na prank, na dey prank Sonia? Well, I no understand. Na so girl family with ogogo come and say Junior matter say na prank. Na dem dey prank us o. For over 3 months wey dem take do that gbas say na prank, say na all those people na actor, dey hire dem make dem come act. So your own na the same thing. Na make dem first talk say that time wey you say you blind, na make people say na prank, na you dey. So if something come dey do, if the thing come to come dey happen to una, people nobody go fit come rescue una because una don use prank take spoil everything. You say na prank, na dem dey prank you, your auntie join, your cousin, your uncle, all of them for almost 3 weeks. Now na take do this nonsense. Now so we go sit down one day, Lord of Lemon and Joy and Mary go see come out with Alex and Wise One. They will come out, they will still tell us in our prank na they dey. Very soon. Now their own, now we see they wait for now. Guys, I surprised yesterday wey be say all of them sit down together, video wey they post, they sit down together. They sit down together, they drink before Sonia come. Sonia say no dey aware. Now so maybe of KO family to say her husband to say maybe not dey aware. Whereas maybe na be the foundation of the matter. Now maybe na arrange everything. Say his wife not dey aware. He just say make him let his wife know say he go fit create all that kind of content. No say him too. Now lie they lie. Guys, I was so surprised. I was so surprised. So you want to now build page, now go extra mind. They toy with other people emotion. They make other people they believe say marriage na war zone. Just imagine. You know say I first talk for one video say Sonia, your cousin not resemble belle. That your cousin, his stomach not resemble stomach wey pikin dey inside, because that video where you post where you wan sell your car, where you go carry soldier come, where the mama, if true to say e get belle, that belle instantly for there go comot. But when after that video, I see and say come see dey do gragra, I say no, this person not get belle. So all of na content na dey great. Sonia, you say you not dey aware. Say your husband na prank, dey prank you. Well, una extra mind for this content created because of money of this monetization. It don't too much. It don't too much. Kai, I no understand this one. So my people, make una dey learn lesson o. I know say some people where we see all these things, we go carry the way with our emotions. This kind of person, see wetin they do. See this person not deserve all these things. No necessarily now just they toy with another people emotion. Because now won't make money, the man won't grow a page, Hope won't grow a page. All those gbas now prank. It is good for now. But the man could remember say the day where the original one, the main one go come. The original one go come. nobody go come to una rescue, because that time they will say na prank, una dey prank the people. Una go dey kpai for the people go come take una on, people no go take una serious again, because anything wey una do na prank people go look am to be. So even if una dey kpai that time, even if people see you say that they rush your enemy, they go hospital, they go say, "Mona leave am, na prank, they prank." Even if your enemy see like that, not they talk again, they'll say na prank, they prank, go get up. Now so that they do na Facebook monetization, na they cause am. Make una they take this thing easy. Because get many of una fans now where go they watch what una they do to Sonia, the person go sit there, go they cry. You go they cry. Hi, see what that they do to her. Me not like, I go they cry. The person go feel sleep, you go they think. Say this thing that just they do to this girl. If I know as I go fit take help am, I go do. No, say na prank, all these things na set, now na set am. No problem, guys. So guys, now the update be this one. Say Sonia husband say he not the carry wawa hope. Say he not give hope belle. It's all of them na arrange. Na prank, now they prank Sonia. Sonia now they cry, say the prank was too expensive. Say it's too much. Say to receive beating, he spend money, he do this one, he do this one. Say he not there aware. Are you believed? Say Sonia not there aware for this thing. She was not part of this arrangement of this prank. Drop your comments on the comment section. I just want to see your comments on this video. Please, if you have not followed me on my page, Linda Gist TV, both on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok, please follow me on this my page. So drop your comments on the comment section. Share this video with so that not be everything wey person go see for inside social media. What this content creator they do, even if they wire the soldier, they give the bags pass them. See, look and say na prank. Now they sabi. Now so it be. Because they don't turn everything to prank now. Any small thing they'll say na prank. So guys, thank you so much, guys. See you.